Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about the scientific method. Now, the scientific method has 6 different parts to it. The first part is question/problem. Second is research information. Third is hypothesis. Fourth is experiment. Fifth is observation data. And last is conclusion. We're going to go through each of these separately and explain them. Alright, so question/problem. So when you're asking a question/problem, like, you don't want people to think that you're doing a different experiment than you're actually doing. So then you should be really specific and make sure it's really clear what you're doing. Research information. Well, there's a lot of different sources that you can get research from, but I would say the best is from experts or websites. Hypothesis. If you don't know what a hypothesis is, it's pretty much just an educated guess of what you think will happen during the experiment. Alright, and then comes the experiment. This is just when you will test your hypothesis and do the experiment. Observation data. So you can make charts, graphs, any way that you will make your data readable and make good amounts of sense. And then last comes the conclusion. This is when you say if your hypothesis was correct. If it wasn't, that doesn't matter. You still learned something. Alright, so for a demonstration of the scientific method, let's just do everyone knows the answer to this, but this is just a simple experiment. Do potatoes have an electrical pulse? Okay, so for the hypothesis, I think potatoes don't have an electrical pulse because we eat them. Well, yeah. Then I would do an experiment. I would find out that they do have a pulse. Then I would write in conclusion that I was wrong and why. And that's pretty much the scientific method. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.